Ducks can swim.
Elephant can run.
Gorilla can jump.
Big crocodile. Small crocodile. This is big. This is not. Spider. Spider.
Repeat.
Spider. This is a long snake. This is a short snake. This is a parrot. This is a giraffe. Giraffe are very tall. This is a zebra. Zebras are black and white. No, this is a owl. Is red, black, white. Que no se caiga. Y ahora los ojos que están pálidos los vamos a grabar. Por eso vale. This is a flamingo. Flamingo are pink.
Beautiful. Very nice.
This is a turtle. Turtle is green.
Beautiful. Very well.
This is an elephant. This and gay.